A wave of bad weather hit Italy on Saturday, with storms expected to pummel the south until Tuesday. Since Saturday, Italy has been inundated with extreme and severe weather from the northern half of the boot to the island of Sicily. Torrential rains has caused major flooding in regions such as Emilia-Romagna and Tuscany. Red, orange and yellow weather alerts are in place until today, Sunday, October 12th. Severe thunderstorms followed by downpours of constant rain pummeled parts of Sicily all day yesterday and well into the evening. The worst hit areas on the east side of the island, Catania and Siracusa. Overall, heavy rainfall led the Elsa river in the areas of Florence, Tuscany and the Salso river in Sicily's Licata to break their banks, causing local floods with bad weather alerts reported across the country.